God. That was like the biggest stoppie I've ever done. I thought I was dead. Stop wheezing at me, you bitch.
Is anyone down this end with repairs?
I've just broke Charlie.
I can tell from that sound.
Crying.
I just come down the pier at like Mac Jesus, pulled a fucking stoppie for about 100 metres round the corner and it hit some kind of fucking snack bar. And then Charlie got a puncture in her lungs or some shit, I don't know.
I need to see that.
I've actually got that recorded, fuck.
I have.
If you need me, I'm just going to sort Charlie out.
Oh, he's snoring. Oh no. Don't put your bat away. Ow.
That was fucking... I knew as soon as I pulled the stoppie instead of stopping normally, there was nothing I could do. I was like, I'm a fucking passenger now.
Jesus Christ, that was funny. Your bike is on the roof.
You need to breathe, girl.
I need to go for a smoke. I can't, I'm dying. I'll be back.
You need to fucking breathe.